Hello friends, my name is Sophia. And today we are going to learn about how to use present indefinite tense in our daily conversation.
Today I am going to talk about my inspiration who is very young. There is a girl in my class, her name is Rebecca. She is very naughty, helpful, and intelligent. Her favorite subject is English. Although she doesn't belong to an English-speaking family, yet she speaks English so well. I ask her multiple times, "How do you speak English fluently?" And she says, "Actually, I love to speak English, which is very important. Apart from that, I listen a lot of things in English, which gives me an English-speaking environment, and then I try to speak it, and that's enough." But remember, don't break the routine of speaking English. I learn many things from her about learning English. And now even I follow the same things. I work very hard to learn English, and I am very happy about it. Rebecca is good not only in English, but also in economics and political science. My all teachers admire her knowledge, and she inspires everyone in the class.